Dear students, today's topic for discussion is the play The Proposal by Anton Chekhov. Today, I will discuss from the page 85. So, open the page at 85 from the dialogue of Lvov. Now, read. I remember to teasing him. I remember to. What do you remember? Chubukov also teased him when Lomov said that he remembered too. What do you remember? Then Chubukov became very angry and wanted to know from him what he remembered. Lomov then, my heart, my foot's gone to sleep. I can't. My foot's gone to sleep. Here it means that his foot has become numb. That is, his foot has become powerless. Here, in this regard, Natalia Stepanovna also teased him by repeating the words uttered by Lomov. My heart, what sort of a hunter are you? You ought to go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch black beetles and not go after foxes. Here, Natalia Stepanovna playfully made fun or attempt to provoke him. Here, she wanted to mean that he was not a hunter at all. And then, in this respect, she wanted to mock at him, telling that he should go and lie on the kitchen oven and catch black beetles, not go after foxes. Go after means chase. Chubukov then, yes, really, what sort of a hunter are you anyway? Chubukov then supported Natalia Stepanovna in order to tease Lomov also. Yes, really, what sort of a hunter are you anyway? Here Chubukov also pointed out that Lomov was not a good hunter at all. You ought to sit at home with your palpitations and not go tracking animals. Chubukov remarked that he should sit at home with his palpitations. Palpitations means rapid and irregular pulsations of heartbeat. Not go tracking animals. Tracking means following the tailor movement of the animals. At the time of remarking such type of bad words about Lomov, he also pointed out that he could go hunting, but only you could go to argue with people and interfere with their dogs and so on. Here Lomov went to hunt. Here Chubukov pointed out that his purpose of hunting is mentioned in two ways. For the first time, he would like to go to hunting only to argue with people. This is one point. And another reason is that he also wanted to interfere with their dogs and so on. Interfere means prevent from continuing. Let's change the subject in case I lose my temper. Here Chubukov suggested to Lomov that they should change the subject matter. Otherwise, he should lose his temper. You are not a hunter at all anyway, Lomov. And are you a hunter? You only go on hunting to get in with count and to intrigue, conspire. Oh, my heart, you are an intriguer. Here Lomov also accused Chubukov by telling that he also went hunting to get in with the count and to conspire. Oh, my heart, you are an intriguer. Here Lomov used the term intriguer in order to mention Chubukov. Intriguer means conspirator. What? I, an intriguer? Shut up! Intriguer. Chubukov became very angry on hearing the term of integer from Lomov. Lomov then repeated the words integer, conspirator. Chubukov then abused him, boy, pup. Pup means young duck. Then Lomov also abused him by pointing out the phrase old rat, the word Jesuit. Jesuit, here it means hypocritical. Hypocritical. But there is a reference of the word Jesuit. Jesuit is a member of the Society of Jesus, a Roman Catholic order of priests founded by Ignatius, Saint Ignatius Loyola. That is, Jesuit here is used in order to mean Chubukov. Here, Lomov wanted to mention Chubukov as a Jesuit, as a hypocritical. Chubukov then, shut up or I will shoot you like a patris. Patris is a kind of bird. You fool. Here Chubukov became so much angry with Lomov on hearing such type of abusive words from him. Lomov then, everybody knows that, oh, my heart, your late aunt used to beat you. My feet, temples, sparks, I fall. Here Lomov became so much upset, so much distressed with his palpitations. His heart is palpitating very rapidly and irregularly. My feet, his feet, have also become numb, have also become powerless to react. Temples, flat part on either side of the head, between the forehead and ear. That is temples. Sparks means flickers, F-L-I-C-K-E-R-S, F-L-I-C-K-E-R-S, flickers. I fall, Chubukov. You are under the slipper of your housekeeper. So students, you see that the vocal fight between Chubukov and Lomov reaches an extreme point. And here, Lomov feels so much distressed with his palpitation. You are under the slipper of your housekeeper. Chubukov then did not prevent him from using such type of bad remarks. Lomov then, there, my heart's fast. My heart is going to open. My shoulders come off. Come off means become separated from something. Here, it seems that Lomov wanted to mention that his shoulder becomes separated from his body. Where is my shoulder? I die. Falls into an armchair, a doctor faints, become nervous, become unconscious at that very moment. Here, Lomov did not control himself at the time of remarking such type of bad words against Chubukov. And here, he falls into an armchair and becomes unconscious. This sudden, temporary unconsciousness here did not stop them in respect of engaging themselves to fight. Chubukov, boy, milk soft, fool, I am sick, drinks water, sick. Here Chubukov also used bad words in order to mention Lomov that he was a milksop. Milksop is the word which is used in order to indicate a silly and weak person. Here Lomov is mentioned here as a silly and weak person. Fool, I am sick, drinks water. Chubukov also then feels uneasy. He drinks water. He feels unwell. Natalia Stefanovna then remarks, what sort of a hunter are you? You cannot even sit on a horse. Here Natalia also said that he was not a good hunter at all. You cannot even sit on a horse. To her father, Papa, What's the matter with him? Papa, look, Papa, screams Ivan Vasilevich. He is dead. Now Natalia Stepanovna realizes what happens to Lomov. Lomov becomes unconscious temporarily after falling into an armchair. She realizes what happens. It seems that Lomov is dead. I am sick. I can't breathe. Here. Then Chubukov also feels uneasy. Natalia Stepanovna, he is dead. Pulls Lomov's sleeve. Ivan Vasilevich, what have you done to me? He is dead. Falls into an armchair. A doctor. Here Natalia Stepanovna becomes so much terrified with the condition of Lomov. She sees that Lomov is unconscious, but it seems that he seems to be dead to her. Then she calls by telling a doctor. Then he streaks. She was also in a frenzy mode. Oh, what is it? What's the matter? Well, he is dead. Natalia Stepanovna weeps. He is dead. Chubukov, who is dead, looks at Lomov. Then Chubukov looks at Lomov, who is now lying in the armchair, being temporarily unconscious. So he is, my word, water, a doctor. Then Chubukov also feels uneasy and terrified at the sight of Lomov in this way. Lifts a tumbler to Lomov's mouth, drink this. Just after seeing such type of condition of Lomov, Chubukov wanted to make him drink some water by lifting a tumbler. No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead and all that. I am the most unhappy of men. Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Here Lomov becomes temporarily unconscious, falling into or lying into the armchair, and Chubukov feels that he is dead. On hearing such type of words, after hearing from the words of his daughter Natalia, he also feels that he is dead. Then, why haven't I cut my throat yet? What am I waiting for? Give me a pistol, give me a knife. Lomov moves. And here, during this moment, when he feels such type of helplessness, just after seeing the sudden unconscious state of Lomov, Chubukov then feels relieved on seeing Lomov moving. Lomov moves. He seems to be coming round. Coming round means curing. He seems to be coming round. Here, during this state, Lomov moves. He seems to be coming round. Drink some water. That's right. Then at that very moment, Chubukov wanted to make him drink. Drink some water. That's right. I see stars, mist. Where I am? Where am I? Here Lomov remarks, I see stars. I see stars means see flashes of light in front of his eyes. Where am I? He cannot understand where he is. Hurry up and get married. And here Chubukov does not want to lose this chance. She is very worried about getting his daughter married to such type of a young man like Lomov. So he does not want to lose this chance. Hurry up and get married. Then Chubukov tells Lomov to hurry up and get married to his daughter Natalia Stepanovna. Well, to the devil with you. she is willing. He also tells him that his daughter Natalia Stepanovna is also willing. He pulls Lvov's hand into his daughter's. He pulls Lvov's hands into his daughter's hand. She is willing and all that. I give you my blessing and so on. Only leave me in peace. Then Chubukov, after keeping Lvoov's hand into the hand of daughter Natalia Stepanovna, she feels relieved. And at that time, he also gives his blessing to them. Only leave me in peace. Lvov getting up. What? To whom? Lvov here gets so much excited on hearing such type of proposal of marriage from Natalia's father Chubukov during this sudden unconscious state. And here, she's getting up. What? To whom? Here, Lvov wanted to know from Chubukov to whom he is getting married to. She is willing. Well, peace be damned to you. Chubukov then says that Natalia Stepanovna is also willing. He then tells Lvov or instructs Lvov to kiss and be damned to. Well, Natalia Stepanovna hears this. He is alive. Yes, I am willing. Then Natalia Stepanovna comes into the normal state just after being frenzy moved. Here, yes, I am willing. Then they kiss each other. Kiss whom? Chubukov then says, kiss each other. Kiss whom? Lvov then wanted to know from Chubukov to whom he should kiss. They kiss, then very nice too. Excuse me, what is it all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart starts, I am happy. Natalia Stepanovna kisses her hand. My foot's gone to sleep. Then both Lvov and Chubukov kiss each other and they feel very happy. And Chubukov also feels relieved on seeing them in this state. I am happy too. Natalia Stepanovna also says that she is also happy. Chubukov, what a weight of my shoulders. Oof. Weight here refers to the burden. Who is the burden or weight referred to here? Here, Natalia Stepanovna is the weight or burden referred to here. Here, in the patriarchal society or mentality, here a daughter becomes a liability to a father like Chubukov. Here, when Chubukov gets his daughter Natalia Stepanovna married to Lvov, he temporarily feels relieved on seeing this. So he says that a burden, he is now free from the burden, free from the weight which has been removed from his shoulder. But still, you will admit now that case is worse than squeezer. Natalia Stepanovna, during this date also, does not want to leave the matter of quarrel over the qualities of her dog, Squeezer. Then she also forces Lvov to tell or admit that her dog is better than his. Better. Then Lvov also says that his dog is better, that is, case is better. Natalia Stepanovna then said also that his dog is worse. Chubukov sees all this situation just after the happy situation. And here, well, that's a way to start your family, please. Have some champagne. Here, Chubukov becomes free from the temporary state of the burden. But here, he is also worried at that very moment on seeing the future career of their conjugal life, between Natalia and Lomov. And then he also wanted to celebrate the situation by ordering champagne. Champagne is a kind of white wine from the Champagne region of France. Lomov then. He is better, Natalia Stepanovna. Ors. Chubukov then, trying to shout her down. Champagne. It is in this way Chubukov wanted to celebrate the happy situation of the marriage at the end. And this is the end of the play. Dear students, you have seen that in the patriarchal mentality, Chubukov feels relieved temporarily for the period of getting his daughter Natalia married to Lomov. But he is very much anxious or worried about their future career in the conjugal life just after this. So this is the end of the play. Dear students, now go through the play again and again in detailed way, and there will be some questions, and you will have to prepare the questions for the exam, and I will help you to prepare the questions. Thank you.